and a glorious morning to one and all present here. First of all, I would like to say thanks to Global Spoken English and Dr. Ghulam Nabi sir, and I also want to say thanks to my respected teacher Sangeeta ma'am, who has given me a golden opportunity to my pronunciation skills. I am Nabi from Sahroj and I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English Kopagan branch in morning batches. Now today I am standing before you all to share my thoughts through my speech about rain. But before starting my speech, I would like to say some Hindi line. सपने वो नहीं होते जो हम सोते हुए देखते हैं. सपने वो नहीं होते जो हम सोते हुए देखते हैं. सपने तो वो होते हैं जो हमें सोने नहीं देते, जो हमें सोने नहीं देते. Now I would like to start my speech. Dreams are the beautiful imagination. Everyone has a dream which they want to achieve when they grow up. Some kids want to become rich that they can buy anything. But some kids want to become doctor, engineer, scientist, officer, etc. But we know that for achieving that dream, we have to work hard and stay attentive to it. For turning your dreams in reality, the first thing that you need is determination. This will also help you in a lot of ways. Firstly, it will help you to decide the course of action for doing anything. Besides, it will also help you to plan your journey ahead. This is important because rushing to your dream will not going to help you in any way. There are some dreams that in a good time, they follow a process and without following it, you can't achieve that dream. Lack of motivation is one of the main chores that force a person to leave his dream behind. So, staying motivated is also part of the goal. For completing your dream, you have to keep your dream in your mind and remind your dream to yourself daily. There are hard times when you feel like quitting. Those times, just remember the goal. This will help you to stay positive. By the way, everyone has a dream in his or her life. Some people's dream to becoming famous, popular and rich. And some people want to make other life by helping them. Now I would like to speak some Hindi line again. हर सपने को अपनी बाहों में रखो, हर सपने को अपनी बाहों में रखो, हर मंजिल को अपनी सांसों में रखो, हर जीत आपकी होगी, हर जीत आपकी होगी. बस अपने लक्ष्य को अपने निगाहों में रखो, बस अपने लक्ष्य को अपने निगाहों में रखो. Now I would like to end up my speech with a special thanks to you all wonderful people for listening to me with a great patience. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day. Thank you.